What is that? What's going on today, everybody? New to my channel, and I welcome you to Iron Antler Adventures. I'm James. This is my wife, Risha. Today we're going to be trying this ROUGE beast. They sent this to me to give it a try. So we're going to try it, see how we like it, give our honest opinion on it. And I want to thank all you for the concerns and well wishes. My wife and I, we end up with COVID and been fighting it for 2 or 3 weeks now, but we're getting better. So I want to thank all you for that. So we're going to go strap the camera on and give this new magnet a try. All right, folks, we're going to give our first toss with this new ROUGE 1,200 pound single side. Get after it. If you guys are interested in one of these magnets, I'll put a link down in the description below. You get a 10% discount on your purchase with ROUGE. My discount code is IA10. Feels like we might have grabbed a hold of something, folks. Here we got something on there. Little old railroad spike. That one's not very big. Golly, folks, that magnet does have a hold of it, I'll tell you that. All right, folks, we got something on there. I think those are called track clamps. Magnet had a hold of that pretty good. I do like the way the rope is made, carabiner, all that stuff. It seems to be really well made. All right, folks, feels like we're on something again. Try to get it out of them rocks. See what we got. So we got a couple things on there. Well, we got a track clamp, a bolt, and a nail. That magnet does hold on, folks. It seems to be like a really good magnet. Didn't want to let go. And I threw it a while ago and hit that concrete over there and didn't damage it, so it's pretty tough, evidently. I wasn't trying to hit the concrete, but it landed right on it. All right, folks, feels like we're on something. Got a little weight to it here. If we don't lose it on the rocks. That's the bad thing about right here. All these rocks. What in the world is that? What is that? Well, we got another track clamp. And I don't know what this bolt is for. That magnet did have a hold of it, though. I don't know if that's a latch for a door or something on the track. If anybody knows, be sure to let me know down in the comments. This magnet is hanging on to whatever it grabs a hold of. I will be doing a 1,200 pound single side magnet giveaway at 800 subscribers. And I'll let people have their choice of whether they want a ROUGE or a Brute 1,200 pound kit. But so far I am impressed with this 1,200 pound ROUGE. This thing, when it grabs something, it's been hanging on to it good. All right, folks, we got Well, we had a big old wad of wire down there and a railroad spike. That wire, man, that dude hangs on now. That wire is laying right down there, had us wrapped up. We'll pick that up before we leave. All right, folks, we're gonna give it one more toss, call it a day, get back in the air. It's just too hot, and the wife and I are still recovering, so I don't want to overdo it and get sick. Felt like we might have landed on something. I'm not sure if I have something there or if it's a rock. Feels like we got something on there, folks. See if we can get it up here. Well, we got a magnet pull. Well, we got 3 railroad spikes, a nut, and some kind of a pin. That was a pretty good throw right there. Not sure what that is for, but somebody knows. Let me know down in the comments. Golly. All right, I said that was the last throw, but after finding all that, I'm gonna try it one more time. All right, folks, feels like we got on something else out there. Get it up here and get a look at it. Another one of those bar things. It's pretty cool. If anybody has any clue what they use those for, please let me know down in the comments. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. We didn't find a lot of stuff, but we did get to try that new magnet out. Here's a look at what we found. Found some track clamps, railroad spikes, a couple bars. It's just too hot out here, guys. Like I said, we're recovering. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And you can even like us on Facebook. And don't forget to get your friends to subscribe. At 800 subscribers, we're going to be doing a 1,200 pound magnet giveaway. So until next time, beard out.